This is the introduction video to our new remote control sales tool that can now be found in Design Center. This tool will help you in while specifying the desired remote control system in a quick and simple way. The transmitter configuration on this tool allows us to group, align, and distribute elements in an easy way. With the support of our advanced 3D engine, we are able to visualize evident collisions between mechanisms, but also collisions that may not appear so clear, assuring that all projects done in the sales tool can be manufactured later in the process. List price is available at all times in all menus, as well as in the project commercial documentation that can be saved and printed at all times. Once the project is properly specified, users will be able to save this configuration in Design Center and created requests for new material number like any other product in the catalog.